back to my channel, and today we are making the most amazing thing in the whole entire world, slime. So guys, today I'm gonna be showing you my materials to make slime. So first of all, we need glue. How can we make slime without glue? And then we have some Ariel Power Gel because I don't have borax or activator. Then we have purple paints and lots of mini paints too. And then we have the mixing bowl and the spoon. Now, let's start making some slime. Yay! So, we need the glue. We're gonna make this a purple beautiful slime. And squeeze it all out from the bottle. Now make sure to not leave any glue inside. Now, let's pour it all out now. Then you add the power gel. Now make sure to not add too many, because if you add too many, then it might water when you put it in the bottle. But you can use borax if you have it, and activator. I'm just using this Ariel gel because I don't have borax and activator. So, and not to add a little bit, because if you add a little bit, the glue might not clump up. Now, we'll add more of this, but don't add too many because it might water in the bottle. So, let me show you. So guys, as you can see, the slime kind of clumped up. See? And now we're gonna add the color purple. Here we got the paints, and now we're gonna add it in here. We're gonna dab it until some of it turns purple. Now mix it a bit with our hands and as you can see, there's more. So we need to wipe it like that. It's gonna turn like this. Then you need to do it with your hands. Kind of circle it up, stretch it up like that. Flat it up in your table. If you want to make it even darker, you just need to add more purple again and again. Here's our slime. I didn't know it will turn this beautiful, but it's cute and it's so adorable. It's so indigo-ish purple, and I can play with it all the time. And by the way, if you want to make it glittery, just add your glitters in a snap. It's glitterified. Ta-da! Now it's going to be glittery forever and ever and ever. Until it dries up. So, here's our slime. It's glittery, sparkly, and beautiful. You can't see the sparkles though. Let's leave it there. Then we'll just have to start with a new slime. Smush it in there. Ooh. Smush it like that. Or maybe add more glue. So it will be a big and fluffy slime. Let's add the gel. Squirt. And then we'll mix. We'll mix it. Very cool. So guys, we added everything except for the paints. Slime is not a slime if it's not sticky. Now, we will add the indigo paint. It has a ton of paint, indigo bluish paint. Now it will look like this, a dark blue. As you can see, it's overflowing with paint. So that's extra sticky. But if you want to get messy, then why not? Use your hands. And I want to use my hands. So guys, here are the beautiful slimes that I made today. I'm going to show the purple one and the blue indigo-ish, kind of not indigo-ish one. Purple is my favorite color, and this is my favorite one. And it's also so stretchable than the blue one. Okay, maybe the blue one's much stretchable. See? So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below which slime do you like most. Hit that like button so you never miss a video. Bye! See you next time on the next video of me, Chazarain. I'm out. Bye!